We're going to do a video on Nvidia Stock, NVDA Stock, NVDA, and we've got a daily chart of Nvidia here for you with a blue 200-day moving average. I'm going to show you an hourly, a weekly, a monthly, an hourly, a weekly, and a daily chart, and then some algorithmically generated entry prices for Nvidia. Let's take a look at this stock real quick. Nvidia looks like it put in a bottom here October 13th, like a lot of stocks did. It's got a green 5-day, a red 20-day, and a blue 200-day moving average. You can see it's a beautiful little rally. It's very well bought. Not a whole lot of corrections, but it doesn't look overbought on a daily chart. It's just a gradual movement up from about 108 all the way up to Friday. The high was 163. That is a tremendous rally. That's about a month, almost exactly a month rally here from 108 to 163. Really a nice solid rally for Nvidia. What do I think is going to happen here? It's kind of a little, just a hair overbought, but I wouldn't say much. Nvidia could probably drop down here to 153 next week and still catch support of the 5-day moving average and continue right on up. Let's take a look at the weekly chart and see what's going on there. You can see that Nvidia broke through briefly the 200-week moving average, but it really technically, it technically was in a bear market shortly, but it came right back real quick. You'll notice Friday it closed above its 20-week moving average. That's the first time it's done that since back here in August, and that's a really good sign. It's not a good sign that the 5-week is not above it yet. We need to get this 5-week moving average, this green moving average above the red moving average, and get price above all of it. We have to do that. If we don't, we are in danger of getting another one of these short these rallies up in through the 20-week and then crashing back down again. So this is a really good sign, but on a weekly chart, Nvidia is starting to get overbought. We definitely need to get this to pull back a little bit, probably about the 148 area, catch some support from the from the 5-week moving average, and get the 5-week above the 20, which is a classic buy signal, and then get that going. In other words, a close of the 20 above the a close of the 5 above the 20, and a close of price above both of them. That way we've got everything above the 200-week moving average and in proper order, just like we had here. This is the setup for a rally: 20-week, 200-week, 20-week, 5-week, and price closing above it. It doesn't matter if you get noise below the 5-week. Once you get it all in the right direction, you can see it caught support on the 20-week and continues to rally up. That's what we're looking for. Good news is this is flat. This red 20-day is flat. So all we need to do is get the 5-week above it and keep price above both of them, and then we're on to move up, have a chance to attack this 192 level. So we got to do that. Right this second, I'm going to say that this weekly is a hair overbought. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. We can see from an hourly perspective, it's definitely overbought on a short-term intraday basis. You can see that the 200-hour has come down here and put in a nice little bottom. You can see it put in here October 13th, put in our bottom here, and it's pretty much just marched hard, but now we're overbought. So we got a good correction here. This point right here into November 9th, but now we're overbought, and so I'm looking for this stock to correct down into the low 150s on an hourly chart and catch support on the 20-hour, and then maybe it can move on. If it keeps doing this, it's going to crash back down even into the low 140s. So if it corrects now, we should catch support before it gets through 150. So we'll see what happens, but I'm looking for a correction down to the 151 area Monday, Tuesday, and then we'll go from there. Let's take a look and see what RBAM Research says about it. We have algorithmically generated prices for Nvidia, I believe. Let's see what it says. Nvidia, we got zeros across the board for Nvidia for tomorrow. We do cover it, but we don't have for 1, 5, and 20. We don't have anything on there. I don't think we covered on our trend following, which is right here. We don't cover it, but we do have interesting developments for tomorrow. For the 14th of November, we have flats on the trend following system for the S&P 500, flat for Apple, shorts on Tesla, flats on Ford, General Electric, Microsoft. I haven't seen this many flats in a long time, flats on Amazon. So it's going to be a very interesting week to see if these stocks are able to break through their bear market activities and continue on up. Some of them are way deep in the bear market territory. Some of them are flirting with bulls, and some of them have moved back into a bull market, but just barely. So this is going to be an interesting week. You can get access to everything we put out Monday through Friday. Get a free trial with no credit card. Link in the description below to rbamresearch.com. We cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, and the most liquid futures contracts. Crypto's been suspended. We put algo prices out for all of them Monday through Friday by 7 a.m. and you can head over there and get those for free. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only, including our entry prices and our commentary. You should do your own analysis. You definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a ticker symbol for us you'd like us to do a video on, please leave it in the comment section below and we'll consider doing it.